ఏపీ నాలెడ్జ్ ఎకానమీ హబ్ గా మారుతోందని ముఖ్యమంత్రి చంద్రబాబు అన్నారు. ఐటీ నాలెడ్జ్ ఎకానమీలో యువత సమర్థులుగా మారుతున్నారన్నారు. విశాఖలో నేషనల్ కాంక్లేవ్ ఆన్ డీప్ టెక్ ఇన్నోవేషన్ సదస్సుకు ముఖ్య అతిథిగా హాజరై సీఎం ప్రసంగించారు. నూతన సాంకేతికతను అందిపుచ్చుకుని ముందుకు వెళ్తున్నట్లు చెప్పారు. డీప్ టెక్నాలజీలోనూ ఉపాధి అవకాశాలు పెరుగుతాయని చంద్రబాబు వెల్లడించారు. P4 విధానంతో ప్రజల జీవన ప్రమాణాలు మెరుగుపరుస్తామన్నారు. స్వర్ణాంధ్ర విజన్ 2047 కోసం అందరూ కలిసి అడుగులు వేయాలని సీఎం పిలుపునిచ్చారు.
Government of Andhra Pradesh also thinking very seriously. We are preparing Vision 2047. Swarna Andhra Pradesh Vision 2047. We are keeping very high targets, 15% growth rate. Everybody is saying, is it possible? It is possible, we wanted to prove it. 14 to 19, we are able to grow at the rate of 13.5% at that time. Now we are talking 15% growth rate. Even today position Andhra Pradesh is not up to the mark. We are having legacy problems. We are correcting all legacy problems. This second quarter, if you see, all India growth rate is 8%. Andhra Pradesh growth rate is 8.75%. We are monitoring everything real time. Here, 10 principles we are building in our vision document. One is zero poverty with P4 approach. Why I am saying these 10 principles to you? How government is going to work in the near future for 25 years. Thereby you can associate with government of Andhra Pradesh for proof of concept. If you come with some use cases, we will give opportunity. If it is very cost effective, viable, useful, then we will replicate, scale it up. Then you can go to other states globally or nationally. Wherever you want to do it, you can do it, do this experiment. This is first principle, zero poverty. I am requesting all of you, people in future is a wealth. Earlier we were all thinking population is a liability. Now population is an asset. India has moved right time in information technology. Now we are the global leaders. All over the world, every 4 IT professionals, either one or more than one are from India, that is Indians. Among Indians, 30% from Telugu community, from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana states. That is the foundation we have laid on information technology. So if you can focus on population, and also technology, then India will be the global service hub for global needs. That is going to happen now. Government is committed. We will give opportunity for everybody. If we join together, we can make first step zero poverty. After that, how to reduce inequalities between haves and have-nots. It is a continuous process. Second angle, we are focusing on employment. Technology, so many people are talking, technology will remove employment. I am telling you, India is having an advantage. Technology will bring employment. With deep technology also we can create wealth. We will create more and more avenues for employment. That is where our government is giving more incentives for employment generation as a condition. That is where we want to make Andhra Pradesh as a global hub, virtual, physical working also. Either GCCs, co-working space, work from home, workstations creation. There we want to give more and more incentives to create employment apart from industrialization and services and also tourism in a big way. Then ultimately skilling, upskilling, it is a continuous process on human resource development. We wanted to bring all education institutions globally or nationally, which are all predominant. Visakhapatnam will be the future city for knowledge economy. It will be a hub. We want to make it. This is one of the best city in all aspects. water security, fourth principle. Water is very, very, very important. Linking of rivers, we wanted to make Andhra Pradesh 100% water security for drinking and also agriculture and industry. We are very fortunate in South India, Godavari and Krishna and other rivers. If we link all rivers, every acre of land we can give water.